Hey guys, oh my god, I can't believe I'm making this video. I made it to the top 30 of the NYX Face Awards. What? I can't believe it, honestly, and I feel super grateful for this opportunity, so thank you so much to NYX Professional Makeup for picking me. Oh my god. Let's get into this box. So I knew that the box was gonna arrive yesterday, but I've been at Pride working all weekend and I knew I wasn't gonna be here to sign for it, so I wasn't able to go get it. And then today I went and got it in the morning, but had to go to work at Pride again, which was super fun, by the way. Doing makeup and throwing glitter on people at Pride was like the best job I've ever had. So much fun. Okay, so then I came home and it took forever to set up all the cameras and the lights and everything to make it look nice. And I've just been waiting so long to open this box and find out what's inside. So let's dig in. Oh my god. Okay, so the first thing we got is a little congratulations. Let's see what it says. Congratulations, your outstanding creativity and artistry earned you a spot in the 8th Annual Face Awards Top 30. Oh my god. We can't wait to see what you create in the first challenge. And here it says, what's hot and what's not? Fill us in on the 411. I'm guessing that's the hint for the challenge. So maybe fire and ice, I don't know, elements. Let's see. Okay. Let's move on. Oh my god, this is a huge, heavy package that says face on it. So let's just try to open this. Oh, this, oh my god. Oh my god. This is like every color of the Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. And that's actually what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing the shade Vanilla mixed with some moisturizer. So this is the Bear With Me foundation, which I know is a new one. I think I like that one because I'm more into low coverage foundation. Oh my god. They just keep coming. Alright, so moving on to the next package. This one also says face on it. So I'm gonna assume that these are concealers or powder, so let's find out. Oh shit, there's so much stuff in here, it's crazy. So we got a bunch of blushes, both powder and stick blushes. Some concealers, of course. I'm wearing this concealer today too, so that's perfect. Like that. Oh wait, it doesn't even say that it's blush. It says it's Glow Creamy Powder Blush. Ooh, I haven't seen those. Oh, there's so many. More concealers. I'm making such a mess right now, but I swear it's gonna be pretty soon. Bear With Me Hydrating Jelly Primer. Oh, I got this one. It's the color correcting cream palette. And then, of course, some setting spray. This is the matte one. I have this one too somewhere. And then, ooh, what's this? These are some bubble wrap stuff. Ooh, bronzers. California Bean. I've been doing makeup for 5 years, and it hasn't been until the last 2 months that I've started using bronzers. So this is very exciting. I only really have one bronzer, and it's okay. So I'm really excited to have some more. This is perfect. Ooh, one more. There we go. And these are crazy huge. I love it. Okay, next up, let's do eyes. I kind of feel like cutting up these packages and just making them into a makeup look. Ooh, I see eyelashes. Hell yeah. Oh, these are so pretty. Which ones are these? These are doe eyes. Ooh. I haven't seen this. It's an eyeshadow palette called Modern Dreamer. Oh my god, it has rainbows. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, Fill and Fluff brow pencils. I saw these on their Instagram the other day. They look really cool. I like more of a soft brow, so I'm really excited to try these. Ooh. Oh, I love these too. The Vivid Bright Liners. I have a bunch of these, but I've had them for way too long, so they're all dried out now. I'm so glad I got some new ones. Of course, I got the Milk pencil in here. It's my favorite. I was using it today underneath all these rainbows. Okay, next up, we're doing lips. Of course, it's pink, very fitting. This thing is stuffed. Holy, oh my god. There's glitter lips in here. Oh shit. I just dump it all out. Oh my god. They're gonna roll off the table. Ooh, these are Powder Puff. I haven't tried these ones. These look really cute. It's like a sponge tip applicator. We got the NYX Lingerie, which are the typical nudes. What's this? Filler Instinct. Oh, I think it's a lip plumping, what's it called? Oh, it says plumping lip polish. I'm always a little scared of these because they tingle on your lips, and I can't even handle those minty lip products, so we'll see how this works out. I love the soft matte lip creams. They're like the first lipsticks I ever got. They're so comfortable and so cute. Oh my god, she's gonna push it off the table. Okay, next package. I'm sorry, I can't see anything because of my cat, but she's beautiful, so you're welcome. Also, the title on this one was Specialty. Ooh, glitter. Yes. Oh my god, pigment primer? Oh, I know they have a glitter primer, but I haven't seen the pigment primer. Oh my god. Yes, there's so many glitters. Oh, there's pigments and glitters. Let's see what we have next. What's the little kitten? Oh, hi. Oh, you're the best gift of all. Oh look, it came with a toy too. Perfect. Oh yes. Oh, you get it. Oh, she likes to hide all her toys under the bed. So, oh, it's too high. Oh, you can do it. Okay, bye. Okay, next package. Oh, I think I'm the most excited for this box because it says tools. And I love brushes. Yep. Here we go. Woo! It's a ton of brushes, some makeup removers, a blending sponge, and a pencil sharpener. Alright guys, last box. Oh, it's heavy. This one's from Vichy. I have no idea if I said that right. Let's see what it is. Ooh, oh shit. Oh, here it goes. So what is this? It's in French, that's what it is. Mineralizing thermal water. Oh, it's skincare. It's micellar water, cleanser. What's this? Hydration booster and makeup wipes? Yes, waterproof makeup wipes. All right, so that was everything. I honestly can't believe how much stuff was in this box. Like, it was a big box, but I'm still surprised at how many things they fit in there. I still kind of can't wrap my head around that I'm in the Face Awards. Just saying that doesn't feel real. But yeah, I'm very excited, and I hope I can have you on my team. I'm super excited to do my next look and to find out what the theme is. Probably when I post this, the theme is going to be revealed, so... And I need you to vote for me. I believe voting starts towards the end of July. I'll put the exact date somewhere on the screen for you. I believe you can vote 3 times per day per email. So you can vote for me 3 times or 1 time and 2 of your other favorite people. Like I said, I honestly can't believe that this is happening. And I'm just so thankful for everything NYX has given me. So thank you so much to NYX Professional Makeup for picking me out of all the submissions. I have no idea how many people applied, but it doesn't matter, even if it was just 31 people. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm one of them. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I don't know if you like watching unboxing videos, but hopefully if you watch this, I'm assuming you like unboxing videos. So yeah, I hope I can count on you and get your vote. Okay, so thank you again for watching, and thank you NYX and Target and Vichy. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but thank you so much. And I'll see you in the first challenge. Ah! Okay, bye.